Namah Shivaya. Om Namah Shivaya. Shivaya Namaha Namah Shivaya.
Shivaya Namaha Namah Shivaya.
Shambho Shankara Namah Shivaya. Dija Shankara Namah Shivaya. Shambho Shankara Namah Shivaya. Girija Shankara Namah Shivaya. Shambho Shankara Namah Shivaya. Girija Shankara Namah Shivaya. Arunachala Shiva Namah Shivaya. Arunachala Shiva Namah Shivaya.
Arunachala Shiva Namah Shivaya. Arunachala Shiva Namah Shivaya.
Om Namah Shivaya. Om Namah Shivaya. Om Namah Shivaya. Om Namah Shivaya.
Muruga, 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 Muruga.
வெற்றிவேல் முருகனுக்கு
Guru Maharaj, Guru Jai Jai, Guru Vinayak Sadguru Jai Jai, Guru Vinayak Sadguru Jai Jai. Shivaya, Om Namah Shivaya, Om Namah Shivaya, Shivaya Namah, Om Namah Shivaya, Om Namah Shivaya, Om Namah Shivaya, Shivaya Namah. Arunachala Shiva, 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 Arunachala Shiva.
ససిగలిత మౌలినం సోలినం విమల శుభకమల జగపాదుకం పానినం పనస పలకదలి పలశానకం పోషకం ప్రమద గురు శివతనయ గణపతి తారణం ప్రమద గురు శివతనయ గణపతి सर्वजनम में वसमानाय स्वाहा।
वशमानय स्वाहा ॐ श्रीं ह्रीं क्लीं ग्लौं गं गणपतये वरवरद सर्वजनं मे वशमानय स्वाहा ॐ श्रीं ह्रीं क्लीं ग्लौं गं गणपतये वरवरद सर्वजनं मे वशमानय स्वाहा ॐ श्रीं ह्रीं क्लीं ग्लौं गं गणपतये वरवरद सर्वजनं मे वशमानय स्वाहा ॐ श्रीं ह्रीं क्लीं ग्लौं गं गणपतये वरवरद
मानसे भजरे गुरु शरणं दुष्टर भवसागर तरणम्
To he who holds the yamas and niyamas in his hand.
Om Shri Hastagata-yama-niyamaya namaha.
To he who wears the kavi robes and rudraksha beads.
Om Shri Kashaya Vastra Rudraksha-dharine namaha.
To he who shines with vibhuti.
Om Shri Vibhuti-nasaraya namaha. Devasya dhimani dhiyo yo na prachodaya.
Hinduism is focused on our state of consciousness, or the level of consciousness we're experiencing, or our state of mind, right now. It's focused on the present moment. What we're experiencing in the present moment. It's not focused on what happens after we die. It's not focused on some future event. It's not focused on tomorrow. It's not focused on later today. It's focused on right now. And living in as high a state of consciousness as possible. A state of consciousness that's free from negative emotions such as jealousy, anger, and fear as much as possible right now.